In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed your Calendly link into a Wix website. Let's get started. First, kick things off by heading over to your Calendly homepage. Here, you'll see all the different meeting types you've set up. This is where you can manage your appointments, create new events, and, most importantly for today's task, find the link you wish to embed. Now, locate the specific meeting you'd like to put on your Wix site and simply click on it to access its details. Once you've done this, there's an option called Copy Link, which will allow you to conveniently capture the URL you need. Alright, with the Calendly link in hand, let's shift over to your Wix site. Open the Wix editor, which is where you'll be making all your customizations and edits to the website. Look to the left side of your screen and find the plus sign. Clicking this plus sign will reveal a menu of options, which is where you can add various elements to your page. In the menu that appears, you'll need to locate and click on the Embed option. This section provides you with several choices for adding HTML code or URLs to your site. Once you're in the Embed section, you'll see an option labeled HTML iframe. Go ahead and choose this, since it's the tool we'll be using to integrate your Calendly link directly into your site. With the iframe now added to your page, a window will pop up asking for the website address you'd like to embed. This is where you'll paste the link to the Calendly meeting you previously copied. Ensure that the URL is entered correctly, as any typos might lead to errors or the wrong content being displayed. Once you're confident that the link is correct, click Apply. By doing so, Wix will automatically generate an embedded view of your Calendly event. Now that your Calendly event is embedded, you have the freedom to make it your own. You can click and drag the frame to reposition it anywhere on your web page. Additionally, feel free to adjust the size by clicking on the corners and pulling to expand or contract it to better fit the layout and design of your site. Customization is key, so take the time to make it blend seamlessly with the rest of your content. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Calendly link into your Wix website. Whether you're hosting an online class, setting up client meetings, or arranging consultations, this integrated calendar feature can enhance your site's functionality and user experience. As always, thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.